on the attack and I'm coming like a white jet. Bull motherfucker ducking when I pull that game jet. Niggas be trippin', so I'ma trip with them and hit them with my nine. And if they get out of line, you know I gotta get them. Fucking niggas up, fucking niggas down, beating them bad and giving them the worst whooping they ever had. I ain't no motherfucking buster, you mother forgot who I was, nigga. Now you remember, so you figure you can chill. But you better get your ass out of Dodge before I pop your buck shot. Put you out of luck, drop dead in the street. Cause I'm a killer type ass nigga, bigger than a whale. And I'm giving motherfuckers hell. Knocking them out the box, then into a coma, slide home. Get that 9 and commit another homicide. Looking for money like a gold digger. I don't give a fuck about a damn thing. Cause I'm that type of nigga. I'm the kind of nigga that you don't wanna fuck with, violate. And I bet your money you get fucked, bitch. You and your crew ain't shit to me. You know you can't get with me. Cause I'm a motherfucker that ain't fit to be played and bullshitted with. That's how niggas get killed and shot up over shit that shouldn't be brought up. But that's how it is in the hood. It ain't gon' change. I'm still shooting motherfuckers that point blank range. So run up, so I can gun up. Because I'm a rough motherfucker, you're dead. Now I'm running from the law. That's how I'm stepping when I got the bullet stuck in your face. Drop it all up, or I'ma bust your ass with the sword off. So don't be a fool and try to play hard. Cause you're as soft as a paper towel floating in the now. That's why I'm giving suckers head with lead. Pulling triggers, don't that's why it's do or die, bitch. Cause I'm that type of nigga.